Hi friends, today another topic is change list items in Python. Change list items. Okay. So it has been classified as three, that is change item value. Second one is change a range of item values and insert items. Generally, what is the role of this change item values? To change the value of a specific item, refer to the index number. So first of all, to change the range and insert the item, you have to have the indexing. So first of all, you have to refer to the index number, that is refer to the index number. Okay. For example, to change, where do you want to change? For example, A is equal to, in square brackets, we are using this quotation. That one is academy, second one is academy, and the third one is project. Now you want to change the name is Kotesh. Kotesh is replaced by Ramesh, for example, if you take. At this moment, here you have to have the variable name and the position is 0. A of 0 is Kotesh, position is 0, this position is 1, this position is 2. So A of 0 is equal to, now I have to introduce that another name that is also string. You can take that another name is Ramesh. Like that you can convert. Then you can write print of variable A. After execution of this instruction, you will be get what is the result is, simply we are having this for the entire procedure, result will be you are getting this is Ramesh, and as usual position is same, academy, and as usual project. You are getting this. So here Kotesh is replaced by Ramesh, that position is 0 position. For example, if you take Ramesh can be stored in A of 1, then only as it is function if you take. And one more example is, for example, A of 1 is equal to Suresh, this for variable A, like that you can take. Okay. Then what you have to do, like that you can A value is moving from this position, that values can be represented as here Suresh for this. This is the result for second example. Okay, that is a change. Next one is change a range of items. You have to change. Now so far we are using only one item is moved from input to particular variable. Now I am going to discuss about another example, that is to change the value of items within a specific range. Define a list with a new values and refer to the range of index numbers where you want to insert the new value. For example, that example is here example is A is equal to simply we are taking that Kotesh and academy. Second one is books, and one is conference. Okay, like that you have. At this moment you have to change. Okay, Kotesh has to replaced by project, books are replaced by journals. Like that you have to change. So first of all you have to take the position of that A in square bracket. What is the position of this Kotesh? Well, Kotesh position is 0, is 1, 2, and this position is 3. Now I have to replace, Kotesh is replaced by academy is replaced by project. So at this moment you can take 1 is to 3. Here that always this is actual starting, but this is ending, but not included. This is very important point. This then you can take. So these positions are here including 1 and 2 only, not 3. So how many positions we have? 2 positions. So you can save that new numbers in terms of square bracket. Simply you can take that value is project, and you can take the journal. Okay, from this, not including 3, then only these 2 values are. After execution of this instruction, you will be get the result is here. Simply you are getting the variable values quotation as it is function, and academy is replaced by project, and books are replaced by journals, and as usual conference. So this is the procedure for this change of a item. Okay. Next one is insert items. Insert items. That insert items refers that to insert a new list item without replacing any of the existing values. We can use the insert method. For example, we have that quotation, academy, and project. Now we have to insert one more item. Okay. How can you insert the item here? Generally, the best example for this is you are taking this A is equal to quotation, then one is academy, and one is project. Now you have to insert the new value. This where do you have to insert? Okay. At this moment you can take that A dot insert. Okay. In which position? Here this position is 0, this one is 1, and this one is 2. Now I have to insert in that position number 2. Position number 2, which in the position 2, which word you have to store? Now I have to insert institute name in the position 2. Then you can write print of A. After execution of this, you will be get the values. A value will be, the result will be quotation and academy, and second position is institute, and the last one is project. This is the procedure to enter the insert. Now Python change list items we are going to implement on PyCharm. So simply I am taking that variable is A, and I am taking that variable is simply that academy is equal to, I am taking different strings like that. I am in square brackets, always lists are represented in square brackets. Next, that is here Hyderabad, and single quotation Delhi. Next in Pune, we are taking small letters or capital letters, no problem. Okay. Like that, if you take these 3 values. Now what is the concept of this change item list? Now I would like to introduce one variable in the particular function. So that is academy of, you have to represent the position, which position I would like to insert. For example, I would like to replace first position. First indicates that here 0 position is Hyderabad, first position is Delhi, I mean in bracket 1 and 2, like that. Now I would like to insert that new name in that I would like to introduce Chennai in one position. After execution of this function, we will be get print of academy. Then the first one is Hyderabad as usual, and here Delhi is replaced by Chennai. Why? Because we are inserting the new function in the first value, I mean position 1, and as usual Pune. Now I would like to change that in 0 position. I mean HOD as Hyderabad is replaced by Chennai. As usual, remaining Delhi and Pune is available. And next one is 2. Pune is replaced by Chennai. Like that we are introducing the same. And next one is change a range of item values. Change a rate item values. Same example. I am taking in the list function here Chennai. Another one is Kerala.